This one tip, quite honestly, is one of the main reasons I get daily sales in my shop. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hey, hi, hello, my name is Lauren. Today, I'm sharing with you all the best kept secrets to making daily sales on your Etsy shop. The tips and tricks that I'm about to share with you are tips and tricks that I have used on my own Etsy shop and that have worked for me. I will not share any tips with you guys that do not work or have not worked or I have not tried myself. So don't worry. But let's go ahead and jump in because I know you guys are here for the good stuff. Tip number one is to renew your popular listings. So if you have a couple of different items that sell pretty heavily and pretty often in your shop, go ahead and renew those pretty much every single day, especially if they're not selling or you haven't made a sale in a while or a few days. That is such an easy way to go ahead and kind of just reboost your shop, reboost those popular listings and get them back up in the search bar. And honestly, I find that when I do that, it helps my other items for some reason get found in the search as well. It just kind of also lets Etsy know that, hey, I'm still here. I'm on my little platform, my dashboard. I'm working really hard. I want to be seen. Please put me in front of people. And honestly, it works, guys. It really, really does work. That is one of the best things that I have done and has helped me tremendously to see daily sales. Tip number two, if you want to see daily sales in your shop, an easy way. Now, I won't say easy because it requires a lot of work, but it's a kind of simple solution is to actually up the number of listings you have in your shop. Because the more items you have in your shop, the more people are going to be able to find you, the more things they're going to be able to buy from you. So the more you have, the more sales you make. My third tip for you guys to make sure you are starting to get those daily sales on Etsy is to utilize social media, and most specifically Pinterest. Guys, I rant and rave. Pinterest is a gold mine and it's untapped. I feel like so many people don't even think to use Pinterest nowadays, and it's one of the best ways to get your items found and for people to shop it because you can literally link your item, like a picture of your item and a direct link to your Etsy shop and the item. People can literally just click on it and buy it. It's so fast and it's so easy. I find that people are really impulsive on Pinterest too because they're just scrolling through. They'll even save things that they like and come back to them. That's what I do at least. Like I have a whole couple of boards on all things that I want to buy and things I want to do in my style. So if you're selling something and people are able to pin that to their Pinterest board, they're going to be likely to buy it. But not only that, when more and more people start pinning that item, it goes kind of mini viral and you start getting a ton of click on your links and people start heading to your Etsy shop and they find it, they favorite it, they like stuff, they come back, they're interested, and that's what you want. My number one tip for doing well with Pinterest though and getting a lot of traffic is joining group boards. Group boards are a must on Pinterest. It allows so many more people to see your account. It's basically where lots and lots of people pin to one board and it has a much larger following. So a lot more people are seeing it rather than just your own profile. I literally sell on my second Etsy shop, which is just like new and little and starting. So don't hate on it. You know, it's just starting. We're just starting. I actually sell over there a spreadsheet that literally has over 100 plus Etsy related group Pinterest boards. I sell it for like $20. You can go and check it out on my Etsy shop. I will link it down below for you. I'll put it at the top of the description box so that you can go check it out. That is honestly going to be the biggest time saver and it's going to draw so much traffic to your Etsy shop that I wouldn't be surprised if you started getting daily sales like instantly just from using that. It is a lifesaver. I combine that list with Tailwind, which is a Pinterest scheduler. So you can actually schedule all your pins to be repinned to those boards, which is what I do. I'll pin one pin to Pinterest and then I schedule it to be repinned to all of these other Etsy related group boards. So it's going mini viral all the time and so many people are finding it. So many people are getting linked to my shop and just it's really broadening the number of people that find my shop, my items and my Pinterest page and all that kind of good stuff. It's amazing. You guys need it. I'll also link Tailwind down below if you want to go and check it out. I might do a whole video on that at a later point. Tip number 4 is to list your item with free shipping. Etsy loves this. They're all the time trying to push for items to be listed as free shipping. Don't feel like this is taking away from your money though. You can list it as free shipping and then up your price to account for the however much shipping would be. And people are more likely to buy it because in their minds, they're just like, oh, free shipping, like, okay, great. And it just seems like a much better deal in their head for some reason. I don't know why humans work like that, but they do. And they're much more likely to buy. Plus, you can actually filter your Etsy search for free shipping items. So another big win-win there because people are going to be more likely to find your item. Tip number 5 is to remain active daily on your Etsy account. Show Etsy you are serious, you are here, and that you want to be successful. You need to be hopping on your Etsy dashboard, going through your items, any items that your SEO needs to be updated, old items that you think you can adjust the description or replace the new pictures with, or add attributes or update your tags. Whatever it is that you can do to make your listings better, Etsy wants to see that. Not only can you do that, but adding new listings, renewing listings that are popular, those are all different things that you can do to remain active in Etsy's eyes. So that is a big one. I swear that is one of the best ways, and one of the reasons why I make daily sales on Etsy is because I remain as active as possible on Etsy, and I'm constantly showing them I have new items, I'm updating listings, I want to do better, I'm trying to improve. Come and show my items, please. Tip number 6 is kind of related to 5, and tip number 7 will kind of go into it as well, and it's that you need to update your photos. So if you've been on Etsy for a long time and you took your photos back when you first started your shop with like your iPhone or whatever you had, and it's really not great quality, you might want to think about going back in and updating them. So picking something a little bit more modern, maybe something that goes with your brand a little bit better, something that looks cleaner and crisper, something that's going to be easy for people to see. You definitely want to do that. Photos are so big on Etsy. I mean, anyone who's shopping online, like that is the only look that you get at the item is the photos. So really focusing on having high quality photos is a must. And my tip number 7 is to focus on your SEO. And that stands for search engine optimization. It is all about how you title, tag, and write your description and your photos for your video. It basically is what lets Etsy's algorithm know that this is a certain item, we can put it in front of this person who's looking for this item. So say someone's going on Etsy to find a boho style graphic tee. Well, if I have that in my title and that's what they're searching in the search bar, but I also have it in my description and I have it in my tags, Etsy's about to be like, oh my gosh, yes, 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 this item is absolutely a boho graphic tee. Let's show it to this lady who's searching for it. You have to have this kind of stuff. You cannot title anything on Etsy with like the Bella Bomb Squad sweater. People are not searching for that. They're not searching for that. They're searching by description. They're like, what style is it? What color is it? What shape is it? Where do you put it? Where it is, like what holiday is it for? Who is it for? These are all things that you want to put in your titles, your descriptions, and your tags so that people can find the item. I love to use Marmalade and eRank to help me find tags for my actual listings. You can search popular tags, you can search trending things, you can see what other people have used. They have so many different resources for how to find good tags, titles, descriptions, mostly keywords that you want to include in all 3 so that your items will be pushed really well. I found that once I started taking the time to focus on SEO, my items got pushed into the algorithm a lot more and they really start to gain momentum after like a couple of weeks of being on my shop. Question of the day for you guys. I want to know down below in the comments section, what do you sell on your Etsy shop? Let me know. I love reaching out to you guys. I love talking to you. I love commenting back. And trust me, I reply really quickly. I want to know what is it that you sell in your Etsy shop. And by all means, link it down below. We can all help and support each other. On the screen, I'm going to link right here for you guys 2 videos that I think you will love to go and watch next. I'm also going to have my subscribe button right here so you can easily subscribe to my channel for more videos. I put out videos every Tuesday and Friday on topics such as entrepreneurship, building your business, Etsy, and YouTube. My friends who are on your mobile devices, these will not be on the screen. You can't actually click them, so they will be linked down below for you so you can go watch them next too. And without further ado, guys, that brings us to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you all in my next one. Bye, guys!